Hello dear brothers and sisters, welcome to our new YouTube video. In this video, we are gonna make sure that your target person start thinking of you right now. Whatever thoughts you want to send to your partner. If you want to send positive thoughts about you, that is you are happy, you can send positive thoughts regarding you. If you want to send negative thoughts regarding you, that is you are missing your partner, or you are alone without your partner, or you are missing him or her, then also you can send these thoughts to your partner. This will make sure that your target person, your ex, your lover, who wherever whoever he or she is, has started thinking about you right now. The best part is that this spell is ideal to make sure that your partner realizes your value. Your partner asks for forgiveness. Your partner says that yes, he will be mad for you. He will be start thinking that why I am getting so many thoughts about you. He will not be able to concentrate on anything. Even if he's doing something important, even if it is very crucial for him, still your thoughts would be poking into his mind. He will not be able to adjust to any circumstances. Whatever you would say, your target person is gonna do it for you. So dear brothers and sisters, so let's start. You would be needing a pen, a marker pen or a blue color pen, whichever ink you have, you can. And the most important crucial ingredient is a capsicum. That capsicum has to be green in color, right? Some people, in order to make this spell stronger, they use glue as well, adhesive as well. I'm gonna teach you how to use it later on. Even if you don't have, still your spell is gonna work. So let's put this adhesive little bit aside right now and start our spell. First of all, what will you be doing? You want that your target person should get positive thoughts about you. So you will make plus, 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 plus. I hope you all are able to see it properly. Look, these are the plus signs. I just have made plus, 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 plus. These are the positive plus signs, right? So you need to make these plus positive signs. It might not be visible to you, but I will somehow try to make it visible so that you can try to understand it very well. We can try with a red color marker as well if issue persists. Let me try with a red color marker. If you are able to see it properly, yes, it's better. So if you want to send positive thoughts, you will be writing positive, positive, that is you will be drawing plus plus signs as I have drawn right now. If you want positive thoughts, means that is you are happy, you are least bothered about him, you are enjoying your life, everything is rejuvenating around you, you are rejoicing each and every moment. So these are the positive things, means you are positive. It doesn't matter whether it doesn't make any difference to you whether he or she is with you. If you want to send some negative thoughts, so you are gonna make negative signs. I'm just gonna make one negative sign. that is like this. This is negative sign. You can put negative, 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 negative this side. Negative thoughts means you are not able to live without him. You are crying. You are dying every moment. You are alone. You are depressed. You are not able to understand what shall I do, what shall I not do. You want that he should see your crying face. He should see your emotions. She should see your exactly what it is going in your heart. So these things, these thought process you can send to your partner. Once you have done it, obviously you need not to write what you are gonna send. You are just gonna write, that is, you are gonna draw positive, negative. Now where do you need to send? This is the crucial thing. You are gonna write, first of all you are gonna draw a circle as I have drawn, and you are gonna write down the first alphabet and the last alphabet of your target person's name. For instance, your target person name is John, so you will write down J here, John, and you will write down N here. You need to adjust little bit because it's not clear with the red color marker as well. However, I am able to see it completely. Yes, I have drawn a circle J, and here I have put N, John, right? Then you are gonna make a square just underneath that, right? I hope you are able to see this square. Yes, this is the square I have drawn. I hope you can see it, right? You will write down the first and the last alphabet of your name. For instance, your name is Sarah, so write down S A R A, just the last S and A. I hope you are able to see it, S and A, right? Here it is, S and A. You might be finding it difficult to read, but this is the very important and very powerful spell which is gonna make sure that you get all the results. Now once you have done it, you are gonna write down your target person's mother name. For instance, we need to write her complete mother's name. If her mother name is Jessica, I have put Jessica. This is the capsicum spell which will make sure that your target person has started thinking about you. The spell is not over yet. You are gonna read a very powerful spell which is on your screen right now. It's Threem Fat Vajanto. Threem Fat Vajanto. You are gonna chant this spell 555 times, 555 times, and thinking all the vibes. For instance, if you are thinking positive vibes, you will be thinking about positive. If you want that your target person should see negative vibes, that is, you are not able to live without him or her, you are crying, you are dying, so you need to be low from your inside. You need to feel that you are literally crying right now. If you want to send positive vibes, then you, while reading this spell, you will be thinking positive. You will be thinking all the positive moments. You are enjoying with your friends, you are loving, you are being loved by your friends, you are being taken care by your friends. All these things you would be thinking, and this will make sure that all the thoughts whatever you have thought are transponded or are telepathically have been drawn over there, and you are gonna get the results. Once you have read it 555 times, make sure that you crush this capsicum. If the water starts coming out of the capsicum, look, water, it's too dry, a water has already come. If you are able to see, look, this is the water starts coming out of the capsicum. It means that your spell has already worked. Look, it has got wet. If I look, it has got wet. So if the capsicum goes wet, you are able to see the water surface. If you are able to get, look at this, it's a dry paper. Look, water is coming out. If I squeeze it, if the water comes out, and look how much water it was. If the water has started coming out of this, it means that your spell has already manifested. You need not to go anywhere. This spell itself telling you that your spell has manifested. You have got the results. Within 1 or 2 days, your target person will be at your doorstep. If you need any support regarding this spell, or if you have any doubt regarding this spell, please feel free to call us on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.